Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and while the rest of the world is having like ice storms, ice freeze, cold fronts, and all of the things, we are celebrating like high 70s, 80-degree weather. Today I'll be wearing shorts and flip-flops. Now I might put a little cardigan or a little sweater over top for that evening California breeze, but it's a reason that everyone wants to move to the West Coast. The West Coast literally is the best coast, and I love a good waterway wig when it comes to the warmer months. Today I've teamed up with Klaiyihair, and they sent me over this beautiful 24-inch 13x6 pre-everything waterway wig, and this beautiful girl right here is going to be like my signature look for the spring and fall season. Now for me, water wave is the best texture on the planet. I always gravitate towards this look, and I feel like it just makes my summer wardrobe and my spring wardrobe pop, and it's so easy to maintain. No heat styles for the hotter months as well, and of course we're in good hands because we're rocking with the best Klaiyihair. So today we'll be doing a beginner friendly straight out of the box install. We'll be including a little bit of baby hair. I did offer that wispy look on these, and we did use a little pencil flat iron, if you will. I'll show you how to do the install, get the beautiful melted lace, the nice voluminous curls. We even did use a diffuser, so I'll show you how I use this one, and this one happens to be my favorite. And yeah, we will get this whole beautiful finished look in under 10 minutes. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, this is the wig straight out of the box. She's a gorgeous 13x6 pre-everything water wave lace wig in the length 26 inches. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. We got our 2 combs. We also have the adjustable and removable elastic band, a large comb in the nape, as well as the adjustable strap, and a drawstring. This is what she looks like on. Super gorgeous. Look at the sheen on this one. The fullness from head to toe or root to tip. And this is a demonstration of the drawstring. You just kind of pull it from underneath, adjust it to as tight as you like, and then you are good to go. Don't forget to tuck it back in, and you're good to go. Here, they also included that peel and stick wig tape. Now, I'm not a tape girl, so I tend to peel it off completely just because I am trying to grow my edges and my hairline back. So low manipulation as possible, but pretty much you do the same thing, except you just pull the back of the tape off, adhere it as you see fit, warm it up, and allow it to set, and you'd be good to go. Here I'm going to use an extra hold hairspray as my adhesive. Now this is not a glue, it's just something that's going to act as a temporary bond, something that you can put on at the beginning of the day and literally snatch off at the end of the day with a little warm water, and you're good to go. You can also allow it to last a few days, maybe up to 2 or 3 days, as long as you wear your melt belt. Here I am applying the melt belt and allowing it to dry completely for a really snatched lace. Also, I'm showing you guys, you can do a side part on this one. You just, literally go to the side, and if you want a deep side, you kind of got to shift the wig to the side, and you're good to go. Next step for me is going to be a wax. Now, this is a non-negotiable for me. Sometimes I will show you guys me not using it, but in real life, I always use this, especially on that first day with the install and style, and I pair it with the electric hot comb, which we call the dynamic duo. Before we even touch the curls, I wanted to show you what they look like from behind. And you guys seen all of that sheen and that texture and that fullness. No sparse pieces at all. So here we go styling the hair. I like to use a little bit of water just to pretty much activate the curls. For me personally, you can do a little water and a little mousse, or a little water and a little leave-in, or just water. This one has such a beautiful texture that if you don't touch it at all on the first few days, you literally are good to go. I mean, you can literally even add a serum and be good to go. It's all about preference, but today I am going to use some mousse. So I am kind of finishing up some almost empties on this one. The Lotta Body was pretty much gone. And then there's this other little travel size one I had from, I think, Edge Booster. So I went ahead and used up what I could from those, and then I did go ahead and get a fresh bottle, which you always got to have one on reserve, and I really did go in and saturate it a lot. But also during this process, before everything set, I did realize that mine was a little off-centered as far as the parting goes. Sometimes you go a little bit too fast and you will bond your wig down without making sure it's centered first, because
it came centered. I just put it on a little bit crooked. So I just fixed that simply by switching or moving the parting over. And then from there, I'm going to go in generously with the mousse, and I'm going to pretty much saturate it from top to bottom to really activate those curls back. You can see how fluffy it is, which really is like a different vibe or texture. For me, sometimes I do, like, for example, I've been doing 75 hard with my son, and I've been wearing this wig pretty much just blown out, and it gives that blown out look by literally just brushing it out with a brush and really not necessarily caring about defining the curls. And then again, when I'm ready to go out and have some fun, you put a little water, a little mousse, or even just a little leave-in, and you activate those curls right back. And you guys can see the versatility of being able to switch up the texture and the vibe. Next up, we're going to tint the lace. This is the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation Palette. I use the shade 16, and I kind of go back and forth between the two shades in the palette in the parting, and that is for me the perfect color to match my complexion, to mimic a scalp-like vibe. And then I'm going to use that same palette but in the shade 16 along the hairline when we remove the melt belt. Before we do that, I did go in with the diffuser. This one from Bedeck is super nice, and I love it because I'm not a wet hair girl. You guys know water wave is one of my favorite textures, but actually, like, walking around with wet hair on my back, again, I would rather wear it dry and like the blown out look before I walk around literally with wet hair. So this is a way to kind of like activate the curls and then dry them up so that that hair is just not hanging wet on my back. And you guys can see how beautiful the texture is. Again, you don't even have to do this step on that first day, but I'm just showing you ways that you can style your hair and again, customize the look to your liking. Okay, so finally we are done pretty much styling the wig for the most part. So here I am just removing the melt belt. You can see here how snatched that hairline is, and we did no customizations. So for me, you guys know I love a little baby hair, so I just wanted to add a little drama and a little bit of my personality. So here we're going to just do a little bit of wispy baby hair where I go in and just separate a nice hefty piece of the hair or the lace, or the hair at the lace rather, along the hairline. I'm going to use that same wax stick to do the dynamic duo along the hairline, and then we're going to use a pencil flat iron and a spray and even a little edge control until we get the desired look on those baby hair pieces, being sure to trim them down as low as we'd like. And I am using like some eyebrow scissors, which are easy to keep on hand because I want them pretty long, but I also want them nice and like layered and wispy. So this is like my little process, and again, it's a little bit tedious sometimes, but it just gives me such a magical, like, flawless look. And then again, from here we will go ahead and tint that hairline, and again, you're good to go.
I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at night, feeling low. But the vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Hands in the air, feel the moment.
Okay, love bugs, I just took my pictures. I was out of here and I realized, where's my manners? I didn't even show you guys the packaging. So let's look at that really quickly before we get into the outro. So for starters, this one came from Klaiyihair, as we already know. And of course, they included everything inside one of these reusable totes. Now, I love these. You guys already know I don't got to rant and rave. These, anything you could think of that could fit in here, we use these for in our house. I keep them. Now, beyond that, this is the packaging. And of course, I love that beautiful green on green. Super cute with that Klaiyihair logo. Inside, we did get some goodies. So for starters, we did get a sheet of the Bye Bye Knots wig tape. This was inside of the lace. I do not use tape or glue on my hair at all. We're trying to get these edges back nice and popping. But if you do choose to use these, this is a great option, of course, and it's included in your package. It'll help that wig stay snatched. Next up, we did get a pack of the HD wig caps. We also got the Klaiyihair melt belt. You guys did see me use it in this video, but I already had one and mine is a little dusty and crusty, so it's nice to always have a fresh one on deck. Then of course we did get the dust bag, and of course it has that beautiful green on green to match your everything Klaiyihair, right? This one is 24 inches, and as I mentioned, or I may not have mentioned, but the hair is a Brazilian origin, just a little fun fact. So yeah, now that you guys have seen the packaging, let's get to the rest of the video.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs.